What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to be doing an early unboxing for the Air Jordan 6 UNC that is scheduled to be dropping in March 5th, 2022 if it doesn't get pushed back between now and then. But you guys know how it goes, it could definitely get pushed back, but fingers crossed that it doesn't get delayed. Now I picked these up from the GOAT app, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, that's like my go-to for early sneakers. But these were a little bit pricey, guys. I did pay that resale, so I give you guys an early look, see if this is a sneaker that you want to pick up. But to me, from the very first time I saw official images of this sneaker, I knew that this was going to be a must-cop for me. Now here's the package that just came in from GOAT. Now guys, I ordered these like about 4 or 5 days ago, and I didn't do like the instant ship or anything like that. I just, bought the sneakers, and normally it takes about a week, sometimes 2 weeks to get in the mail, but I got these really quick, so shout out to GOAT for the quick authentication and shipping. So here we go. Let's pop these out. Now here you're gonna get a special box with the UNC blue all over the lid, the side, and then you're gonna get like that Oreo down here. Now I really like when they do special boxes for the Jordans that have been coming out, and they've been doing a lot of that like over like the past year or so. And it's really nice touch, really nice presentation. Now the official size tag on this sneaker reads Air Jordan 6 Retro University Blue, White, Black. This is a personal pair size 8. And guys, they switched up the label on these a little bit. It's not like the typical label that we're used to seeing, I don't think. I'd have to look at my Carmine box, but I definitely don't think this is what the label looked like on that. But, all the way around, the presentation of the box is pretty fire. Do get that flip out lid. You're gonna get a GOAT sticker. And right here. Then you got your GOAT verified authentication and quality control. You do get the white Oreo paper. And let's take our first look at the Air Jordan 6 UNC. Bam! But yo man, like these are fire. Like the Jordan 6 Carmine is one of my most favorite sneakers of all time. It was one of the sneakers that pretty much made me fall in love with sneakers from like a very early age. So I mean, when you put a UNC colorway on pretty much any Air Jordan Retro, it's gonna do numbers. These are gonna be a problem. I think these are gonna be pretty hard to get now. I know this is gonna be, probably like a massive GR. There's gonna probably be a lot of pairs, but it's not gonna be easy to get, guys. Like this is gonna, do numbers as far as selling out. It's gonna sell out quick. A lot of people are gonna be going after these, even though like the 6 is one of the most like kind of slept on silhouettes. And the only reason why I think it's slept on is because a lot of the colorways that they've been putting out over the past, few years have just not really been that great, besides like maybe the Carmines and maybe a couple other ones like the Travis Scotts. Now just holding the sneaker in hand, I mean the materials on this do feel really nice. The leather at places does feel kind of plush, does feel, kind of high quality, but not like the best leather in the world or anything like that. But the suede on these joints, the suede is nice. I don't know if you guys could pick that up, but I mean, it's nice, man. This new buck, it's definitely nice, man. This is a very nice sneaker. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if this, goes up in value like after the release and does, big numbers. But I also could see it sitting around like that 250 to 300 range as well, especially if there's a lot of pairs. But I mean, this is gonna be tough, man. You're gonna have to put your footwork in for these if you want to get them for retail. Definitely when the time comes, get into all your raffles and everything, whatever you gotta do to give yourself a chance to cop these for retail, because these right here, these are fire. Now when you compare these to the Carmines, it's basically like the same shoe, except for it's just got UNC blue where the red is on this sneaker. Maybe a little bit of differences here or there. The tongue has, a little bit more color schemes going on than the Carmines, where it's just basically a black tongue. And on the back, you do get the Nike Air on this one. Some people are saying that they really don't like this patch on the back. I really don't mind it. It's definitely different. I'm not mad at it. I mean, I don't know if I would really prefer just having the Jumpman back there like normal, but I mean, this is kind of a nice touch. You do get that little bit of hit of red, you know what I mean? Like, it's not bad. I'm not mad at it. It's not a deal breaker for me at all. But, some people don't like it. But, I mean, guys, this is a very nice sneaker. Like, I'm not really trying to hype it up more so than it's going to be. But, I mean, Jordan Brand did their thing with these sneakers. I don't really see any flaws or anything on these, not really any glue stains or anything that really stand out to me. No missing paint anywhere. I mean, this is a pretty high quality shoe. It's just as far as, you know, the way it was constructed and stuff like that. That icy outsole right there, that's pretty fire. Here's a comparison what the Carmine looks like and the UNC. But guys, I just wanted to give you just a quick unboxing just so you could see what the sneaker is going to look like. Give you that early first look at the Jordan 6 UNC. Let me know down in the comment section. Is this a must cop for you? Is this a pass for you? Is this dope or is this trash? Let me know down in the comment section below. But guys, I'd like to thank you all for taking the time out, rocking out with me, checking out another one of my videos on my channel. I really do appreciate all the love and support. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please hit that like button for your boy. And if you like sneaker content, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content when I drop these videos. And until next time, peace.